January 26th, 2 in the afternoon. Wind chill about -7. Got the tractor started out in the barn. This is the anniversary today of the 78 blizzard, a blizzard of 78 they call it. Oh, here comes Snowplow. Let's see what he's up to. I don't think there's a whole lot on the roads actually. And here he comes. I think the wind just blows some of it. But for the most part, I think the roads are clear. There he goes. All right. And then my hand's out in the wild, wild cold. It's about a foot deep all the way through here. I'm gonna plow this all out. It's different in the country. In town, you have maybe 40 feet of driveway, 20 feet wide. Out here, you got about an acre of driveway and property that needs all cleared out. Requires some big machinery. There she is. Start by pushing. There we go. Let's go push some snow. I'm gonna start out here, about a foot deeper, so all the way through here. First stab. Yeah, it's hard to do everything and record at the same time, but I'll try. Woo! Get her done. She goes, and whammo. Yep, gotta put it in first. This is called a quad 4. Yeah, 4 ABCD and 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a quad 16. It's called a power quad. So you got 16 gears you can go. It's not like the new ones though. They are a lot easier to handle. These older guys, the only thing good about them is there's no technology. John Deere can't tell me what to do. But the bad part is it's 1977. All right. That's what it looks like. 3 swipes. Okay, after like 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. Look at that. It's not bad. Let me do one more swipe here. Holding the camera with my right hand, driving with my left. All right, so there's that. Now, put her down. Let's see what she looks like up here. Not much. Not sure how thick this is up here. Show up at my door now. That's not too bad. That's pretty thick. I'll have to pull all that out. Ooh, look at my front. This here's thick. Alright. Make it a path. I could get this thing stuck. It's just really hard to. I'm going to drive right across the driveway here. There you go. I did it again. Left it first. Okay. That's a good start. If somebody wanted to drive in, they could. Okay. Now watch what this looks like. This is concrete, so I can push this. I want to push it away from the wind, but just for video here, I'll push this right here. There's the concrete. And then, as soon as I get to the grass, I don't want to rip the grass all up. There we go. This shows you how thick it is. There's what she looks like now. A lot better. You know, I saw one mistake. Let's see if I can do it. Over there by the basketball pole. Let's see if I can nip that. Whoa. This concrete's like ice. Oh boy. Okay, look at my tire spin. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, Tiger. Lift this up a little bit. Go slower. Oh, there we go. And try not to hit the basketball pole. Make sure you put it in gear first. See, I could hit my cab up on the rim. That's why I gotta be careful. Okay, let's see if I can slip by it. Oh, one-handed. Here we go. Right past that. And then try not to hit there. And Shazam. But that's why God invented shovels. I could just finish that little part off. Nah. Just swing it in. Swing it in and not hit the pole. Boom. Shake it all about. I did it again. Left it in gear. Okay. There. That's how you do that. Cleaned her up one-handed backwards. Okay. That looks pretty good. Drop her down. Okay, there's that. Looking good back here. Looks real good up here. Look at that. That is sassy. All right, we are done. Back and drive through. You think I can drive through here? It's pretty big. Let's do it. Yeah, I tell my wife I'm out here working hard. Oh. Yeehaw. All right, I'll finish that drift up there too. And then put her away. Oh. The old beast did it again. And that's what I'm talking about. Back open for business. Look at that, that's nice. Now to hook all the battery chargers, tenders to back up to everything. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things to plug in to keep batteries going. Wintertime can be a little difficult.